Come over. Let's take a look what's under the hood of one of our Schneider Electric KPX kiosks. Our KPX kiosk consists of three main elements: our high voltage switchgear, our transformer, and lastly, our low voltage distribution center, accompanied by our automation panel. The transformer is the heart of the KPX kiosk. It transforms medium voltage power into low voltage power that we can use in our businesses and in our homes. Within the high voltage section of our KPX kiosk, we typically find an HV switchgear just like this. This unit will allow us to safely connect, terminate, and switch the dangerous high voltage coming into the kiosk. This panel over here is called the automation panel, or as I like to call it, the brains of the operation. This panel allows us to remotely switch the kiosk on and off, but also provides us with key indications of how the kiosk is actually performing out in the field. Now that you've seen the insides of one of our Schneider Electric KPX kiosks, I'm going to talk to you about the external enclosure. This enclosure is built to keep the equipment safe from the harsh Australian conditions, but also to keep you safe from the equipment inside. Thanks for letting me take you through our Schneider Electric KPX kiosk. I hope you got some valuable insights as to what we do here at Benalla